Hello and welcome to another one of my trip reports. Today I will show you some photos and clips of Savognin. Savognin is a small mountain village situated in the canton of Graubünden in the southeastern part of Switzerland. You can go there by train on a small gauge train of the Rätische Bahn. It's a very scenic ride. There you will stop at Tiefenkastel, a small village below Savognin, which you can see here. From there is a 3-hour hike that goes on the mountain to Savognin. I love this trip a lot. Spring is a great time to go. I would however go later than I did because most restaurants are closed during that time of the year. This is the trip I took that day. It passes Mon and Riom, two towns you will see later in the video. As you can see here, the mountains are still covered in snow at the end of April. In Mon there is a little street sign pointing to Saluf. You have to go there. Also in Riom there is a famous castle with theater shows and other cultural exhibitions on a weekly basis. Now this is the part you have all been waiting for. Now to Savognin itself. Roughly 1,000 people live here. The main spoken language is still Romansch, a rare dialect that is dying from an aging population. Savognin and other municipalities merged to Sursee on January 1st, 2016. They did that because a lot of those small villages don't have a very huge population, and so the merging it kind of made sense. A famous landmark in Savognin itself is the St. Michel Church, in which you can see here. This church is, I would say, the most dominant landmark in Savognin. Of course, as we are here in the mountains, there is also a famous skiing area here. As a little child I often went here. I have fond memories of this little village, and I hope after this video you will have too. And I also hope you will go there once, because it's, even though a touristic area, it's still very small and not very crowded and packed with people. I hope you liked my video, give a thumbs up, if you want to see more videos of this kind in the future. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.